All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to play America's most dangerous pastime, blind murder ball. I'll be up to bat first. First base is that bear trap over there. Second base, the pothole with nails. And third base is that used tire with the wasp nest in it. All right, pitcher, you got the baseball ready? Well, if by baseball you mean this random rock I found on the ground, then sure, I'm ready, let's go. Perfect. As is per tradition, I will put on the batter's blindfold. Now, if anybody has any fragile or valuable family heirlooms lying around, now would be the time to put them away. Like, I don't know, your grandma's fine porcelain china, just to name something random off the top of my head. If you have grandma's fine porcelain china out for some reason, now would be a wonderful time to put it away because I cannot see what I am doing. All right, pitcher, give me the heater. Did I hit it? I think I got it. Oh, come on, you weren't even close. Oh, well, you know the rules. Either I hit the rock or the rock hits me, so keep pitching. Yep. All right, I know I hit that one. I felt it. No, you idiot, that's your grandma's fine china. My what? My grandma's fine china? Oh no! How could I have ever predicted this? Grandma! Oh no! Grandma! Oh wait. That's not my grandma's fine china. It's just a canteen.
Wait, let me think about what I'm saying real quick. What's up guys, my name is Enzo Kim. I'm from EHK Customs and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to paint your own Hydor Flask. So for the first step, we're going to take Angelus leather preparer and Deglazer, and we're going to use this cotton pad to take off the factory finish on the Hydor Flask. And basically what we're doing is we're preparing this bottle to get it ready for the paint so we could adhere better. So next what we're going to do is we're going to mask off the cap. So the reason I'm leaving this lid on right now is because I like to use handles, like have the handle when I'm taping the bottle. So that way I don't get the paint all over my hands when I'm painting it. And you guys might ask, oh, like, why isn't he taking the lid off? And that's why. We're gonna spray it down with this Adhesion Promoter from Dupli-Color, and this step isn't mandatory, but I prefer to use it because you get better results. All right, now that it's done drying, we're gonna go right to painting. And first off, I'm gonna use the Angelus Blue, and I'm gonna mix it with a 50-50 ratio with 2 hard. Now I use this 2 hard to make sure the paint adheres to the bottle correctly because I used to do it without the 2 hard, and then the paint would come right off after it dried. Alright, so I'm going to take this number 0 round brush by Angelus, and I'm going to use this to lay out the figures for the porcelain flowers that we're doing today. Now I'm going to do portions of the bottle at a time so I don't get my hands all over the paint while I'm doing it. You guys can sketch out something with a pencil before you do it. Like, I already know the design I already wanted, so I'm just freehanding. And right now we're just laying out the shapes, so we don't have to worry about filling in the whole thing. You just want to make sure you're doing thin layers so you don't get the paint all clogged up. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use this heat gun to dry the paint, and because the bottle is metal, you want to cool it down with this fan right here to make sure you don't burn yourself. The process shouldn't take too long. It only takes about a minute or 2 minutes to cool down. And once it's cooled to the touch, you're ready to go again. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use this number 0 filbert brush to help fill in the shapes for the flowers. When you paint, you need multiple thin layers and not just one thick layer. You do this, you'll get the best results you can get. Now that we've finished using the blue on this Hydor Flask, we're going to go ahead and use navy blue, again with the 2-heart, to fill in the details for this bottle. Again, 50-50 ratio. Alright, so now that we're done putting on the details with the navy, we're going to go ahead and use the high gloss acrylic finisher, and we're going to make it look like a porcelain bottle. So when I'm putting on the finisher, I usually use an applicator or a cotton ball. And it's simple, all you do is apply it around the bottle. And just like that, we have our porcelain custom of our Hydor Flask. If you guys want to try this at home, all you guys need is a little bit of 2-hard, a little bit of Angelus Paint, and you guys can paint on any hard surface you want. I'm Enzo Kim. You can find me at EHK Customs on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.